Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Auto World. If you love keeping your car looking as fresh as the day you drove it off the lot, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the world of portable car vacuum cleaners, why they're a must-have, and which models are worth your investment. Let's get started. Keeping your car spotless can be a challenge, especially when it comes to those hard-to-reach spots. Now we've got portable car vacuum cleaners, compact, efficient, and designed to tackle the toughest dirt and debris on the go. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one for your needs? In today's video, we'll break down the benefits of portable car vacuums and review some of the top models that are leading the charge. Benefits of portable car vacuum cleaners. First, let's talk about the benefits of owning a portable vacuum cleaner. You might be thinking, why not just take my car to a detailer? While that's an option, it's not always practical, and let's face it, it can get expensive over time. Portable car vacuums are convenient, affordable, and perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Here's why you'll want one. 1. Convenience. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on a road trip, a portable vacuum lets you clean up messes on the spot. No more waiting for the next trip to the car wash or needing access to a bulky vacuum. Plus, portable vacuums come with a variety of attachments, so you can reach every corner and crevice in your car, from under the seats to the tricky edges of the dashboard. 2. Saves time and money. Taking your car to a professional for regular detailing can add up quickly. With a portable vacuum, you can clean your car in minutes. No need to schedule appointments or spend money every time a few crumbs make an appearance. Many models even come with built-in lights, so you can clean in low-light conditions, perfect for those dark mornings when you just need to clean up before heading out. 3. Powerful suction and versatility. Now let's talk about power. You might think portable means weak suction, but that's not the case anymore. Modern portable vacuums are more powerful than ever, capable of picking up everything from dust and dirt to pet hair and debris. Whether it's sand from the beach or that pesky pet hair, a good portable vacuum can handle it all, leaving your car looking spotless in no time. Top models to consider. Now, let's look at some of the top portable car vacuum models that stand out in 2024. 1. Dyson V7 Car Vacuum. First up, we have the Dyson V7 Car Vacuum. Dyson is known for its powerful suction, and the V7 is no exception. This vacuum offers up to 30 minutes of powerful suction, making it ideal for picking up dirt, pet hair, and debris. It's cordless, lightweight, and comes with multiple attachments, including a combination tool and a crevice tool to reach every nook and cranny. Pros and cons of Dyson V7. Pros: powerful suction, multiple attachments, and cordless design. Cons: shorter battery life when on maximum suction power. 2. BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL. Next, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL, a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on power. This model features 200 AW of suction power and comes with a pivoting nozzle, making it easy to clean tight spaces, including your car seats and dashboard. It's lightweight and features a washable filter for long-term use. Pros and cons of BLACK+DECKER BDH2000PL. Pros: strong suction, pivoting nozzle, and washable filter. Con: corded design limits mobility. 3. Shark Wandvac. Third on the list is the Shark Wandvac, a sleek, high-performance cordless vacuum that's as powerful as it is stylish. The Shark Wandvac features a high-speed brushless motor that provides strong suction for cleaning up everything from crumbs to pet hair. It's super lightweight and compact, making it perfect for quick, easy cleaning. Pros and cons of Shark Wandvac. Pros: ultra lightweight, powerful suction, and cordless. Con: smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying. 4. Hoover ONEPWR. Last, but certainly not least, the Hoover ONEPWR offers impressive cleaning power in a compact design. This vacuum uses a 10V lithium-ion battery for longer runtime and features a wide mouth for larger debris pickup. It's part of Hoover's ONEPWR line, which means the battery can be used with other Hoover cordless devices. Pros and cons of Hoover ONEPWR. Pros: long battery life, wide mouth for larger debris, and part of the ONEPWR system. Con: a bit bulkier than other models. Whether you want powerful suction, long battery life, or a compact design, there's a portable vacuum out there for you. The key is to match the vacuum with your needs, whether it's tackling pet hair, cleaning in tight spaces, or just keeping your car looking spotless. Which portable car vacuum do you think suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. And for more helpful reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and keep your car looking as good as new.